La Costa Canyon, the big three up front, the Stanford brothers and Caleb Meadbottle, those three running very well this year. They're the San Diego champions this year. And then Loyola, 6 times they've been the California State champions. So turning up and down like this.
After that,
30 will go to the girls Division 1, where Green Oak, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017 California State champs, and once again the Southern Section champs, and once again ranked #1 in the state. They won the Mount Sac Team Sweepstakes Championship. At the Mount Sac course, they averaged under 18 minutes, 17:54. You know, for a girl to break 18 is an impressive feat at Mount Sac. They averaged that 17:54. They are the defending
North
champions,
Clovis there.
obviously going in. The second ranked team,
one of the newer Clovis teams.
Mr. Muretta, same league, the Southwestern League. In fact,
half an
the
hour.
Southwestern League finished the year with 3 teams ranked.
Division 1 boys goes off.
State. And in fact, in the last 3 years on the boys' side, the Southwestern League has won the state championship in cross country and the state championship in track. So the Southwestern League dominating in the sports of track and cross country. And also in that race, of course, will be Buchanan, ranked #3 in the state, and our final season poll. 10 o'clock, we go to girls Division 2, Claremont. They're our defending champions. They won in 2016 and 2017. They're the Southern Section champions this year. They came up and won the Stanford Invitational. They won their own Cool Breeze Invitational early in the year. They have Maddie Cole's outstanding freshman who won the Southern Section championship. Right there, ranked #2, Granada, the North Coast Section champions. They came up here and won the Rough Rider Invitational. They were 3rd in this race last year. Then St. Francis, the Sac Joaquin Section champions.
Over there's the mile, 2 mile.
That would be in the girls Division 2. At 10:30, we'll go to the boys Division 3. Ridgeview of Bakersfield. No Bakersfield team has ever won a state championship in cross country as a team. And Ridgeview ranked #1 going in here, the Central Section champions. They won the Central Section in their race with only 20 points. Outstanding effort there.
They just mentioned Bakersfield, Ridgeview team, Division 3 race.
Okay, well, I just wanted to say, okay. Well, I'm sure we'll see you here. Where are we on?
The Great Oak compound.
Larry, I sell you. Since our college season is over.
And then we cut down that one.
As we mentioned, Ridgeview, our top-ranked team in that boys Division 3, but Palos Verdes, they're the Southern Section champions here. They're ranked #2, and West Torrance ranked #3. They were separated by 1 point last week in the Southern Section champions. West Torrance are defending champions in that division. And then we go to race #6. It'll be a Division 4 girls race. Foothill Technology, we mentioned Ken Reeves, 14 times. He has coached a team to 8. And they're the defending state champions in this division. In fact, won in 2016 and 2017. They'll be challenged the #2 ranked